So you've been walking around with back pain for 2 years, and what did you do to fix that back pain?
See you.
I'm Dr. Deuk, and I have here one of my patients who just had the Deuk laser disc repair for his back pain. How long have you had back pain for?
2 years.
2 years.
And for a year I couldn't walk.
Now, did you ever have back pain like a long time ago?
No.
All right.
I was military, I was like a rock.
Well, your disc herniations that I dealt with, they showed that those injuries are at least 10 to 20 years old.
Whoa.
But they probably weren't causing pain because they kind of healed, but then you re-injured them probably over 2 years ago. So you've been walking around with back pain for 2 years, and what did you do to fix that back pain?
See you.
Before you saw me, did you try shots or anything like that?
No.
Okay.
I just took pain medicine and put up with it.
You put up with it. All right, now you're standing here an hour and a half after your surgery. Do you have the back pain that you came here with? Is
No.
it still there?
No.
Gone?
Gone.
Cured.
Gonzo.
Cured. And how much am I paying you to say that to these guys? Nothing. Actually, you paid us to take your back pain away. So, are you happy?
Very happy, Doc.
Congratulations.
Thanks. I told you what I think about you.
I know. You did. You're welcome.